It's a senior dance team that uses practice and performance, and they promote the healthy teamwork of their membership. They're an inclusive group and welcome everyone to join. Through practices, performance, and shows, the team emphasizes that one can be active at any age. Seniors are inspired to be all they can be. Now, the MesquiteToes dance troupe, they serve as the official goodwill ambassadors of the magic of Mesquite. By promoting the city, and they perform outside and inside the community. Ladies and gentlemen, witness the love between a colonel and his chicken. It's the colonel and the drumettes. Take it away!
Can't take my